Greetings my friends, welcome back to another Ntrade video, and we are in such an exciting time right now. If you are not utilizing the tools that we have available for you, you are missing out big time right now. Even if you are a complete beginner, you can get into the market and start making money consistently. Only thing that you need is a little bit of money management, a little bit of time, and a computer. That's it. If you have phone, computer, whatever, you can go in and start trading immediately. We have Evo Trade algorithm, we have Nexus Vision for you that actually has 3 different styles of trading available: fully automated trading, semi-automated, manual trading. You have education inside of there. You absolutely have to try it out. Today we're gonna go in. We have smaller accounts. We're trying to build it back up. So let's make some trades with Evo Trade algorithm. Maybe finish it off with Nexus. But now I want to show you what we got for you, so don't miss out. Join my trading group, subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you guys for joining in my streams. We're also streaming on TikTok every single day, so check it out. You can find the links in the description below. But now let's go into the market and let's make a little bit of money as always. Right, so here we have 5 different markets. We're gonna start with Evo Trade algorithm to build up a little bit of balance. So let's go ahead. We are on United States dollars, so let's select it and let's get straight into it. We're gonna trade on 1 minute, press start analysis, and that's all we need right there. I'm gonna change to 500. We're gonna take our first signal and let's see if we can turn it into something more solid. So there you go. Just a couple of seconds for us to wait here to receive our signal, and we are in. This is a pretty big trade for me right now. As you can see, I don't have a lot of money in my account, so whether this go through or not will really define the trading session, if we're gonna start it on the back foot or if we're actually gonna make profit and start off strong. So what we have here is full analysis. You can see the chart completely replicates one-to-one and what's going on right here. When you're trading on 1 minute expiration time, the chart is gonna be the chart that the robot performs analysis will be set to 1 minute as well. All the indicators that it uses for the analysis also gonna be set to 1 minute. For this one, as you can see, we are using Ichimoku cloud. So right there you have the analysis. The price falls below the Ichimoku cloud with Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen crossing downward, and you can add it to your chart and see it right there. We are below the cloud. We have the cross to the downwards direction, and this is how this robot is able to bring you profit. There you go. We are already at 1.3k and we just started our trading session. So all we need to do is just make a couple of those trades. And if you are starting to trade and if you don't have a bigger balance, for me this is still pretty small, so I can allow myself to go and place these bigger trades. But if you're starting with $100, $200, make sure that you are adjusting your amount and using the proper money management, which is 1 to 3% of your balance. Here it is. OTC market, again, Great Britain pound, Australian dollar. We selected from the list. We have different time frames from 1 minute to 1 day. Let's go with 1 minute again. Press start analysis. That's it. You are ready to go into your second trade, and that's how simple it is. It just takes you a couple of clicks and you are ready to go. We're gonna place 2 trades right here. This is $1,000, and if we get a win here, this is gonna be massive for us. So let's observe. We have OBV confirms volume accumulation and CCI enters positive territory. So this is a short-term bullish signal, and we're gonna see if we're actually able to make the money here. As usual, the signals that are done and the analysis that is performed by this tool is second in seconds. So when you're entering these trades, make sure that you enter them as fast as possible after receiving the signal. And if you are a little bit late, 15 seconds, 20 seconds after the signal has come through, perform a fresh analysis. Don't enter your trade if you're trading on 1 minute and already 20 seconds passed, because it might be outdated. Everything changes really fast on 1 minute expiration, so you need to adjust, you need to do fresh analysis for that. And there you go, our second trade, and we're already making crazy amount of money. Starting at $800, we're at 2.2k, and that's how it's done. And let's do one more trade here with Evo Trade algorithm, and then gonna see what we have in Nexus Vision and see what type of automation is actually available inside of there. Let's see Euro, Great Britain pound. What's going on here? Any chart, Any chart you select, you can make a solid profit every single time. Again, we're gonna hit start analysis. Actually, I don't wanna place 1,000. We're gonna go slower here as the chart seems a little bit weird. So let's place a sell position. There you go. We got the analysis again. ADX confirms a strong downtrend with DMI minus dominating DMI plus and rising. Again, short-term bullish signal here. So we're placing our trade $500. We're not going crazy, right? We're slowly grinding our balance little by little. And this is what you can do. Imagine coming into the market and having all of these opportunities just straight up in front of you. All you need to do is simply select the settings that you like, press a button, it gives you the analysis, you follow a trade, you make money. If you don't want to follow the trade, do a different analysis, find the chart that you like trading on, find the time frame that you like trading with, and just execute your trades every single day. Don't overtrade, do a couple of trades, make a little bit of money, get your profit, and get out of the market. This is how you do it. Discipline, consistency, this is all you need. And while you're doing that, join my group and start trading with me inside the group. We're doing daily trading sessions. All right, there you go. Another nice trading session. We got 3 trades. We made pretty much, we made quite a bit of money here, and we're at 2.6K. And now let's hit Nexus Vision. We're in here, we have everything as well prepared. We have demo account, real account. You can see I am already connected. So what will I do? Let's go to Bitcoin, right? I want to do Bitcoin, for example. So we select Bitcoin in here. It's 75%, not really great. So we want to look for something else. United States dollar, Japanese yen. This might be actually better, 92%. Now, this market is horrible, and we're going to do 5 trades. We're going to do 2 martingale. We're going to go to 400. Let's do 250, and let's do 50 amount with 15 seconds time frame. So you select the settings that you want for the robot to execute. So we have the asset, we have the amount per trade, we have expiry, we have type of strategy the robot is going to use. I use AI analysis because it combines everything in it. And we have trade count 5 trades, and the multiplier is 2 to martingale. So what that means, our 50 is going to multiply by 2 in case we take a loss. That means 100. And the next one, if we take a loss again, it's gonna do 200, and then it's gonna stop. So simple. I think it is. Start robot and we start executing our trades. This is how it's done. Really, you have everything right at your fingertips. I don't even have to put my fingers anywhere. You can see the trade is already being placed. We have it right here. And the first trade doesn't seem too good, right? Boom, there it is. We took a loss and we place a martingale trade with $100. And if we take another loss, it's gonna place another one. And this is how you are going to be in the market, making the most of it without basically doing anything. Sure, as I said, this market is pretty damn dangerous. So we are looking to have a lot of volatility, a lot of volume, a lot of movement, and this is not a nice environment to trade in. And will we be able to get it? I don't know. Last second, we did get it. Nice. Next trade. So we are already profiting $34 without doing anything. And here we have a sell position again, $50 on it. The robot is able to change the direction of a trade if it sees that the sentiment is changing, and it does so very, very quickly. Another trade, another $46, and we continue executing these trades. Well, I don't actually do anything. Everything is done by the robot, but we are here and we just observe. We took a loss. Will it swap the trade? No, we didn't, and still thinks we should be taking a sell position. So this is what this tool is able to do for you. Trading in such a market is insanely hard by yourself for any trader. I probably would never trade in such a market because this is extremely, extremely dangerous. And here we have $200 placed on a buy position. So this trading session may very well be horrible for us if we just take one loss. But so far we're doing okay, and let's see if we secure this one. And yes, we do, and we bring it back $114 as well. And this is our second to last trade, I think. So we just have to secure a couple more trades and then we are good. So imagine I have pretty reckless settings right now for the robot, but you can select how you like to trade. You can go smaller, you can do $2 per trade, you can let the robot execute those type of trading sessions, whatever you want. You have full control of how you want to run your trading sessions. And unfortunately, we again take a loss in the last couple of seconds. But as I said, the volatility in this market is intense, and this is not an easy market to trade in for any trader. So you have to understand that having the tool that is able to perform this type of analysis and have this type of accuracy, and you not having to worry about trying to find the proper entry in such a market. First of all, we shouldn't even be trading on this chart, right? This is crazy market, but already we are making a little bit of profit, and all I need is just one final trade for us to go through. This is our final trade, 4 out of 5. So if we get this, we are going to be good, but it is looking pretty grim right now. As you can see, look at this chart, look what's going on right here. So many candle wicks, very strong candle wicks, and it's gonna come down to the wire. And I think unfortunately we take a loss here, but it is what it is, and this is our final trade. So we might actually secure it in the last second, and I'm actually not convinced with this, because this was a pretty tough execution on a really rough chart. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find a more stable and more nice environment. For example, let's do United States dollar. We already traded on it with Evo trade algorithm, so why not do a trading session with this one? Let's do right now $100, because we want to bring it back, right? We have multiplier set to 2, so it's gonna be $200, and after that we want to do $400 just in case. And let's go 5 seconds, and you're gonna see this is gonna be a little bit crazy, and I don't recommend. I think you shouldn't go lower than 15 seconds, and if you are a beginner, set it to 1 minute or 2 minutes. That's gonna be even better. So let's hit it. This is gonna be a little bit crazy, but I want to show you what this tool is capable of doing, and there we go. This is gonna be insane, and there you go. First trade, $192 straight to our pocket. Second trade, do we get it? It's a return, so we place another trade here. It's a buy position now, and we get it. Another profitable trade, 346, and another buy position. And you can see how fast these trades are going in. We're not wasting any time. Sell position from a robot. It thinks that the price will reverse here. Is it correct? Not really. So we'll see if we will be able to actually secure this in the last second, and we do get it. And this is already our trade number 4. So we just have a couple more, and this one also go through, and just like that, we are actually absolutely killing it. $544. All trades went through. It was close, but we got it. So we made $500 without having to do anything. Everything was done by the robot. So if you want to trade with this tool, send me a message. Get in right now. You have Evo trade algorithm, you have Nexus Vision, you have assisted manual trading, you have assisted trading, or like I mentioned, strategies in here. You have history if you want to look what trades you've done, how it went, which type of trading you used. You have analytics as well. You have education if you want to learn the absolute basics, which are the most important things for any trader. Then make sure to get this for yourself right now. You can start with demo account if you don't want to go in and trade with real money. Trading has never been easier, and now is the time for you to get in and start profiting. I appreciate you for watching. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you want to get this robot. What are you waiting for? Just send me a message, get it for yourself, start trading, and start appreciating what the technology is able to provide for you nowadays. As always, we have a stream happening today as well, so check it out. Appreciate y'all, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.